All right, so we've talked about our chain size, but now we want to talk about putting our chain directly onto the drive shaft sprocket. So this sprocket here, it's loose. That's important, so when your bar is bending when you're cutting, the chain does not derail. So we want to put our chain inside of the sprocket rather than on the side on that shaft. So you'll see when I put the chain on, you'll want to do the chain first. And don't put it on like this. See, the teeth are facing this way. Make sure the teeth are facing forward on that top row. So that's the way that the chain is going to go. You'll see that when we put the bar on. But here we are, I'm making sure the chain fell right in, and it does pretty easy. So you want to make sure the chain is inside the drive sprocket. Now we're going to put on our bar. Here we are. This is a good reference for that chain to make sure the teeth are facing forward. Easy thing to mess up. So slide your bar all the way back. All right, now stop.